All right, lesson 8.4. There's your study link. There's the math box. Okay, so lesson starts on page 360. Looking at the planets and the diameter. It shows you a little picture up there. The diameter, they're talking about just going through the center of the Earth. Okay, so we're looking at Earth there. Earth's diameter is approximately 13,000 kilometers. And so we're going to compare the other planets to Earth. So look at Mercury. Mercury's, I would say, about half. They put 3/8 or half. You don't have to be exact by any means on this. Venus, very close to the same. So go ahead and put in approximately your estimated comparison there. And then I'll help you on 2 and 3. So go ahead and pause the video for those. And they all say about. So close to these, and if you want to write them down, that's fine. You don't need to, it's up to you. Okay, back to the lesson. All right, so number 2, the scale factor we're going to use for the diameter is 1 centimeter is, let me get my pen here, about 5,000 kilometers. Okay, we'll all use the same one. We're all going to use Earth, and the average diameter is about, and they have it there, 13,000 kilometers. So number 4, the diameter of the planet is going to be how many centimeters then? If every centimeter is 5,000 kilometers, approximately we're going to say 3 centimeters, right? That's close. If you were going to make the sun, that model would be how many centimeters? Okay, go ahead and do number 5. Well, if you compare that to the Earth, it's pretty big, isn't it? So 300 centimeters, and measured in meters is 3 meters. So 100 centimeters in every meter. Okay, just go ahead and fill in. We're going to continue to use the 5,000 kilometers. So use page 360, if I back up one page, use these average diameters to fill out this table, okay? So pause the video and go ahead and do those. And then number 7, what ratio comparison would you use to describe the relationship between the largest celestial body and Earth? So pause now. And you should have something close to those. You don't have to have exactly. But look at the sun. The sun is 100 times as large as Earth's. Page 362, if you want to do that, that's fine. You don't have to. I'm not requiring anything, of course. And then I'm gonna move on here to page 363. Okay, something different here. So we're going to solve equations in different ways. Bar model, let's see here. They used a bar model on 3 and 4. So I'll show you that one. You certainly don't, I don't think you have to use a bar model at all. let's just use the algebraic way to solve these. So number one, Amir spent $17.50 at the comic book store. He has $21.93 left. How much money did he have before he bought the comics? So define your variable. So we can just say X. I always use X. X is the what? It stands for the amount of money, right? So our equation would be, he had some money, and maybe we should say X is the money he started with, okay? So he had some money, he spent $17.50, and he has $21.93 left. Show the steps in solving. We're going to add $17.50 to both sides. Remember, I taught you how to circle that. Add $17.50 here, that goes away. Add $17.50 here. And he had $39.43. Remember how to check it? We're going to check it. So $39.43 goes in for my X here, minus $17.50 should equal $21.93. And if it does, then you got the right answer. So go ahead and try 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and pause the video. And there's the answer key. And 3 and 4, like I said, you did not have to use the bar models. Okay, I'm just going to solve it algebraically like I taught you in class. So if I subtract, remember always to start with the smallest variable. Subtract 2m, and now what do you have left? You have 2m plus 4 equals 6. And we're going to subtract 4. This goes away. Subtract 4. 2m equals 2. So divide by 2. 1m equals 1, which is what they have. Subtract the smallest variable. If I take a u away, I have 87 equals 8u plus 7. Subtract my 7. 80 equals 8u. Divide by 8. And u equals 10, which is what they have there. And the math box. And the study link. Whoops, sorry. The study link. And I'm going to try to make that a little smaller again, so you can see the whole thing. And that's it for today.